Okay, today I have a challenge here. I will be solving the challenge using the shift cipher key method. So this is to solve the part. And let's try question 1. Okay, so it gives me a question that blah 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 is encrypted using the shift cipher with key 14. Please decrypt it and enter the decrypted plaintext. Okay, so I will try random things. Okay, so it says your answer is incorrect. Try again. So today I have to write code to solve this, automate it using Python. And I'm very new to Python, like a beginner. So with that, I will try to solve this question. Okay, so I already have the code here. I run it and it works. So I will show you how I did it. So the first thing, I import Pong because I'll be using Pong tools, and import tree. I will say what it is later. So before anything, let's build a connection to the server, the port I'll be using. So I use remote and the port here, create a connection, and I write 2 lines here. What it basically do is get the initial response from the server. So I use receive line and then decode it and just print it. So let's see what it shows. Okay, what I got is it open connection and the first question until 1 to 6. So now I want to solve question 1, right? So I need to tell the server that I will be solving question number 1. So I will send question 1 to the server. And after sending it, I want the server to give me the question. So let's see. Run it. Okay, perfect. I got blah blah is encrypted using. I have the question now. So under the decrypted plain text. Okay. So before I make a function to decrypt, let's extract this string from the response and the key from the response. So the key is 14, the string is this. So to extract, I need to look for a pattern. So I see that the string is inside the double quote. So I use something like this, read.search. So at the beginning I import read, right? So that's for this. And okay, this here, just look for something which is inside the double quote. And if there is some pattern, I will store it in group 1, and if there is none, it will give me an error. So the same thing. So here I have key. I will look for something like this here, key equal to. And if I find it in the response, I will store it. And if I don't find it, it will give me an error. And let's see if it is extracting correctly or not. For that, I will try to print my response. Okay. Okay, perfect. So it extracts my text. Let me change it. Key.
It did not show text.
Okay, so I have text and key here. So now let's create a function to actually decrypt it. Okay, my function is here. So in the first step, I just name function like decrypt function, and it will have 2 things. Yours have the text and key. And I initialize my plaintext, decrypt text as an empty string. So to decrypt it, I need to go to each letter inside the ciphertext and shift it by the key it gives me. I think it's 15. So I have to shift more 15 for each letter. So I loop for every character in ciphertext. If those characters are alphabet, I will look for an escape position. Okay, so ORD is a pattern like ASCII. It just means that I'm looking for ASCII and minus. I minus the ASCII value of letter A because I wanted to have zero-base index. So after I have the ASCII position, I take the ASCII position and minus my key. After I minus, I take the result and modulo by 26. 26 because we have 26 letters. And after I have position, the new position, I will change it into the character. I change it to ASCII here, so I change it back to the character, and I just has the A here. I minus it here, so I need to add it back. I add it, and then I just concatenate plain text with each decrypted text. But if letters in the ciphertext are not alphabet, I would just show the original letters. Okay, so one more thing. Okay, so here I extract key and this string, right? Extracted text. I need to pass it to my function. So I pass the key and message, and it will do whatever is inside my function. So let's see what happened. Okay, so nothing yet because I haven't printed anything. Here, let's print. Okay, we'll probably got the error. How decrypted message is not this one. Oh, I named it here wrong. So let me change it real quick. Decrypted message. So I print it here. So okay, let's not send it yet. And I will run it. Okay, I have it, but I don't know if it's correct or not. So maybe I will try with interact first. Okay, let's copy the answer. Okay, so it's correct. I got the flag. And if I don't want to make it interactive, I can just send my answer to the server and have it print the response. If it's correct, it will give me the flag. If it's wrong, then it will give me wrong answer. Oh, what happened? Was connection? Okay, so yeah, I got the flag, and yeah, that's it.